Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the We Are Memory Keepers 3-in-1 punches. We have the angled tag punch, the banner punch, and the rounded tag punch. So what it is, you punch 3-in-1. It's 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. But as you can see, as you go narrower, the design changes slightly. I'll move it down like this so you can see the actual punch. So that one there is your angle tag. With the banners, I'll move it down. It just becomes a narrower banner. And this is the rounded tag punch. Again, you can see the difference in the design as we become narrower. Now the great thing about this though is that you can have any length you want because we're only punching the top. So from here I can cut it here. I can use this as a bookmark, different tags depending how long your saying is. So it really gives you the flexibility when you are creating. So I'm going to just show you quickly. I'll use the banner punch. So you see here, there are 3. So this is 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. And those are your guides when you are aligning to use the punch. I pre-cut some paper. And so you just slip it in until you hit the back. And you have your first little punch. So then with the 2-inch, I'm just lining my paper up on the 2-inch mark. I have my new little banner there. You can see the difference. And then my 2.5 fits in there. Got a little smidge there. I'll do it on this side. Just, I think it could just be my paper fits in there. Well, you can see here. You can just take that little bit off. It could just be, there we go, where it's lining up. So there you go. Just like that. You have 3 different banners and 3 different widths. So these punches are great. Here's my little excesses. They just remove there. And that's all there is to it. You get 3 designs, 1 punch for any length you want. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.